As we get through the end of October here, we're going to take a look at Astro Excel for the month of November. We start the month out here a little bit flat across the zero line, and then on Saturday the 2nd starts to push down. Sunday morning it bottoms out, Sunday afternoon rather, at 1500, and then as we move into the trading open, we hit a peak just below the zero line, then we're down to the minus 6, 7 area, or rather the minus 16 area. On the 5th at 1300. So that's Tuesday. We make that bottom. Then the pushes upward, peaks out here on the 7th at 6 a.m. Swings down to the 8th at the close of the day session at 1600, pushing back up to the 9th, then down into the 11th. Keep in mind that whole area there on the 8th to the all the way out to the 13th here is between the 10 lines. So we're more concerned with these energy changes that move outside the 10 line. So we break down out of that area on the 13th, where we bottom out here at minus 17 area. Then we've got a really strong push up to plus 14 on the 15th. Then we've got a push down for a couple days where the blue line and green line bottom out together on the 17th at 2100. Then we're pushing up, get up to the 10 line here on the 19th at 1 a.m., come down to the zero line for a low. On the 20th at midnight, push up to the 10 line. On the 20th, small reaction, then we get back and break above the 10 line again here on the 22nd and 23rd. So that energy peaks out 22nd, 23rd, and then we've got getting some downward pressure into the 26th, where we bottom out here about 4 a.m., and then we push slightly up here into the 27th. And then we're down, where both lines bottom again here on the 29th, and we push up to the 30th, where both lines peak here at 2300. So there's the look at the Astro Excel pressure for the month of November.